Hello wonderful people. Before we begin with our video today, I just have a very simple question to ask. Are you afraid of anything? If the answer is yes, I would really like to know if you can post your comments below that what are you afraid of? Because I am afraid of darkness. And when I say I am afraid of darkness, I can call myself nyctophobic. So here I am with another interesting episode of English Made Easy with Divya, where we're going to study 20 common phobias. So the first one that we're going to discuss today is acrophobia. When I say that somebody is acrophobic, I mean the person is afraid of heights. The next phobia is agoraphobia. When the person is afraid of open spaces, we can say the person is agoraphobic. When somebody is afraid of numbers, we call that person arithmophobic. When somebody is afraid of being alone, you call that person autophobic. When somebody is afraid of books, we call the person bibliophobic. When somebody is afraid of staying in an enclosed space or surrounding, or maybe moving in an elevator, then we call that person claustrophobic, fear of closed spaces. When somebody is afraid of dogs, we call the person cyanophobic. The next phobia that we're going to discuss is hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means fear of water. Then somebody is also called a hypochondriac, or somebody suffering from hypochondria, which means fear of suffering from illness or diseases. The next phobia is glossophobia. There are many people who are afraid of speaking in public. Such people are called glossophobic. The next phobia that we're going to discuss is necrophobia. Necrophobia means fear of death or fear of dead bodies. The next phobia is fear of darkness that I just told you. Can anybody tell me what it was? You're absolutely correct. It's nyctophobia. The next phobia is fear of color black, which is called melanophobia. Then we talk about the next phobia, which is fear of snakes. It's called ophidophobia. The next phobia is fear of fire, which is pyrophobia. The next phobia is fear of children. It is called pedophobia. The next phobia is fear of germs. It's called verminophobia. The next phobia is fear of strangers or fear of foreigners. So such people are called xenophobic when they are afraid of talking to or coming in contact with strangers or foreigners. The next phobia is fear of sleep, which is called somniphobia. And the last one is really interesting. I'm sure we all are afraid of visiting dentist. And that fear is called dentophobia. So I hope you all really enjoyed the video and this was really something which added to our vocabulary. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and keep shining. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, see you and bye-bye.